Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fitra Rahmawati Utami. On this video, I will show my room and I will describe the stuff in my room. Let's start by opening the door. On the side is my single bed. On the right is my bookshelves. On my bookshelves, this is a box files to storage my books and files. This is my painting kit, fresheners, and if we look on the bottom of my bookshelves is the other stuff. Is my analog camera and use the books, and this is a mirror. On the left is my wardrobe. On the left again is my study desk. On my study desk, there is my notebooks, laptop and mouse, and this is my stationery often use. This is my pens, highlighter, paper clips, my sticky notes, and this is my decoration. Maybe that's just my room tour. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.